In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an FAQ page in Softr, so you can answer common questions and provide helpful information for your users all in one organized place. Softr is a powerful no-code platform that lets you build web applications from Airtable or Google Sheets data, and adding an FAQ section is one of the most practical ways to improve your user experience. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Softr account. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar where you'll see a menu of options. Click on Applications to view all of the Softr apps you've created. This is your main dashboard, and it shows every project you're working on, so make sure you're in the right account before moving forward. If you have multiple applications, take a moment to locate the one you want to edit, because every app is independent and you don't want to accidentally modify the wrong one. Now open the application you want to work with by clicking on it. After the app loads, you'll see another set of options in the left sidebar. Click on Pages, which will display all of the pages that make up your application. This is where you manage the structure of your app, and each page can have its own layout, content, and blocks. If you haven't already planned where you want your FAQ to live, think about which page makes the most sense. Typically, a dedicated support or resources page works best, but you can also add it to a footer or a sidebar. Next, locate the specific page where you want the FAQ section to appear, and open it in the editor. As the page loads, scroll through it until you find the exact spot where you want the new section to be inserted. This is a crucial step because placement affects how users interact with the content. For example, if your FAQ is about general account questions, you might put it near the top of a help page. If it's more of a supplementary resource, you could place it lower down. Take your time here. Getting the position right from the start saves you from having to rearrange blocks later. Once you've found the right location, click the plus button that appears at that spot. This opens the block library, which is Softr's collection of pre-built components you can add to your page. Think of blocks as building blocks. They're modular pieces you can drop in to create different functionalities. The block library is divided into categories, so you don't have to scroll through everything at once. In the right sidebar, click on Website to browse the blocks specifically designed for standard web pages. These include things like headers, footers, call to action sections, and of course, FAQ blocks. Scroll down until you see the FAQ category. Click on See All to view the complete collection of FAQ layouts. Softr offers several different styles, so you're not stuck with one look. Some layouts are simple lists of questions and answers, while others use accordion-style expandable sections, which are great for saving space. You might also see designs with icons or different color schemes. Browse through them and pick the one that best fits your application's overall design and the type of content you're presenting. For instance, if your app has a clean, minimal aesthetic, choose a simpler layout. If you want something more visually engaging, a block with icons or sections might be better. Click on the FAQ block you want to use, and Softr will automatically insert it into your page at the location you selected. You'll see it appear as a new section, usually with placeholder text like question 1 inch and answer 1. Now comes the fun part, customizing it to your needs. Click on the FAQ block to open its settings in the right sidebar. Here you can edit each question and answer individually. Start replacing the placeholder text with real questions your users actually ask. If you're not sure what those are, think about the support emails you've received or common issues people bring up. For example, if your app is a membership site, you might include questions about billing, account access, or how to cancel. The key is to be thorough but not overwhelming. Aim for 5 to 10 well-chosen questions. As you edit, also look at the headings, layout, and styling options. You can change the section title, adjust the font sizes, and modify colors to match your brand. Softr gives you control over things like background color, border radius, and spacing, so take advantage of that to keep your FAQ consistent with the rest of your application. One best practice is to group related questions together. If your FAQ block supports categories or subheadings, use them to organize, say account management, separate from billing issues. This makes scanning much easier for users. Once you've finished editing the content, take a step back and review the entire FAQ section. Read each question out loud and make sure the answer is clear, accurate, and concise. Avoid jargon unless your audience knows it. A common pitfall is writing answers that are too long or technical. Remember, the goal is to help users quickly, so keep sentences short and direct. Also check that the layout is easy to navigate. If you're using an accordion, Test that clicking a question expands the answer smoothly and that multiple items can be opened or only one at a time, depending on your preference. Finally, preview your application to see how the FAQ looks on an actual device. Click the preview button in the top right corner of the editor. This shows you the page as a visitor would see it, including on mobile if you toggle the view. Verify that everything displays correctly, no overlapping text, missing images, or broken formatting. Test a couple of questions to ensure the answers show up properly. If something looks off, go back to the editor and make adjustments. Once you're satisfied, publish your changes by clicking the Publish button. Your FAQ section is now live and ready to reduce support requests while improving the overall experience for your users. To wrap things up, you've now successfully created an FAQ page in Softr, giving your audience a go-to resource for common questions. This not only saves you time answering repetitive inquiries, but also builds trust by showing you're proactive about helping users. As a next step, consider adding a search bar above your FAQ if your block supports it, or linking to your FAQ from other pages in your app. And remember, you can always come back to edit or expand the section as new questions arise. If this tutorial helped you, save the video for future reference and revisit these steps whenever you need to. Thanks for watching and happy building.